Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this little video, we will be assembling the Jeep Fleetvan, a little Jeep van from the 60s to the 70s. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. You can find it in the civilian sections. Alright, so the first step of the assembly of this Jeep Fleetvan is to clip away the sprues and supports and stuff. This main body part is all good the way it is, but then we have this roof part. So first of all, take your clippers and clip away. Just clip away the sprue pieces there. And then you clip away these pieces too. Clipping away. Right there, and right there. And then, of course, the other side, like this. Clip those last two pieces. There we go. All right, so that should be good. One thing that you might want to do is sand down the parts where you clipped away, because this is the roof piece. You want to sand down the parts where you clipped away. You want that to be able to be glued onto the roof. Lastly, well, not lastly, there's clipping away these bumpers. Here we go. Just clip away the sprues off of these bumpers. Some little pieces here, but... All right, so now lastly, the wheels. Clip away like this. And then, of course, take each wheel and make sure that they're looking good. That way, each sprue piece is cut away. Okay, that should be good. All right, as for these clippers, we're pretty much done with those. Clearing off all these little plastic pieces. Now, an optional step, if you wish, you can sand down where the sprue marks have been cut, just to make sure that they're all gone. All right, so the clippers and the sander sanding stick are done. Now, let's start gluing this Jeep Fleetvan together. So, for the first step of gluing this Jeep Fleetvan together, let's go ahead and glue on the roof. So take your modeling glue. In this case, I'm using the Loctite glue. Just put some little bit of glue on the roof there, the top. And then take your roof. I believe it looks like each side is the same. So just put it on like that. And then put the other side. Make sure that they're even with each other. And then it's in the middle there, like this. And if you wish to get rid of this seam line, you can take some hobby putty and, rub it in there and sand it down and get rid of that seam line. All right, so now the roof is glued on. Now let's take the bumpers and glue those on. This is the back bumper, and the front bumper has these two little things there, and the two little things face down like that. All right, so to apply that, take a bit of glue, put it like that. Not much glue for this piece, it's pretty small. Take the bumper and put it like that. Make sure it's lining up well like that. All right, so the front bumper is installed. And I always mention this, you should practice placing the piece in before you actually place it, just to be sure. So take the glue, put it in the spot where the back bumper will go. That. And then grab this back bumper here. Just put it into place. Not much mystery for this. It's really straightforward. So this little Jeep Fleetvan is almost done. Now I just need to glue on the wheels. So take some glue, put it there. Then take this wheel here and make sure that the axle piece is going into the middle area of the wheel. All right, put some glue on the back one. Then do this. Just make sure the axle is being glued into the middle area of the wheel. Double check, make sure. Now the other side. And we're going to go ahead and put the glue on both. There you go. Looks like the tweezers were not needed for this, but they're always good to have just in case you need them. Other things that might be useful is magnifying glass or those magnifying type goggles that you use for hobby stuff. Just make sure that these wheels are going down in the correct spot. And then try placing them on the flat surface to make sure they're going down correctly. All right, so there is the little Jeep Fleetvan from Miniature Tanks Company. This and many other items are available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.